Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. My dear friends, I once again welcome you all to this lesson 199 of today's video. In this lesson, let us try to explore two very interesting but confusing English words. Dear friends, please look at these two words. The first word is boiler and it is pronounced as boiler. The second word is broiler which is pronounced as broiler. So there is a new alphabet called R in the second word. So just the addition of one alphabet is making a big change in the meanings of these two words. Dear friends, if one doesn't use the spellings of these two words correctly whenever the sentences have to be framed, then definitely that person will be making a lot of mistake. So let us try to learn both the words in detail and try to attain mastery regarding usage of these two words going forward. My dear friends, when once you go through this video completely and if you feel the content provided in this video is very much useful to you, please give a like to this video. Also, share your comments and suggestions in the description box. That will definitely going to help me to produce very good content going forward. Dear friends, please share this video with your friends and relatives who are very much interested to learn either confusing English words or very interesting English words. My dear friends, here is the first word of today's lesson. The word is boiler, which is pronounced as boiler. If you can look at the image given here, you will be in a better position to understand the actual meaning of the word boiler. The meaning is a closed vessel which is used to heat liquid, usually water. The other meaning is boiler is a device which burns gas, oil, electricity, or coal in order to produce hot water. Now, let us see as to how the word boiler is used in sentence formation. First sentence: he was injured as a result of boiler explosion. Second sentence: this boiler generates more heat than the old one. Now let us see the words which give similar meanings or synonyms for the word boiler, and they are furnace, turbine, heater. And coming to the words which give opposite meanings to the word boiler, they are cooler, condenser. Dear friends, today you have learnt the word boiler in a very comprehensive manner. So now you have attained mastery regarding usage of the word boiler either in sentence formation or while making communication with other people. My dear friends, here is the second word of today's lesson. The word is broiler, which is pronounced as broiler. Meaning of the word broiler is any chicken bred and raised specifically for meat production. The other meaning is a young tender chicken suitable for roasting. If you can look at the image given here, then definitely you will be in a position to get the actual meaning of the word broiler. Now, let us see how we can frame sentences by using the word broiler. Sentence 1. Many broiler chickens now suffer leg deformities. Second sentence. Many broiler chickens suffer a similar sickening fate. Now let us see the words which give similar meanings as that of the word broiler. We call such groups of words as synonyms. Synonyms for the word broiler are fowl, rooster, pullet, hen, chicken. Coming to opposite words, there are no opposite words to the word broiler. Dear friends, today you have learnt the word broiler in a very detailed manner. I am very much sure you have become an expert in using the word broiler going forward, either while making communication with other people or while framing sentences by using the word broiler. My dear friends, today you have learned the words boiler and broiler in a very comprehensive manner. I am very much sure now you have become an expert in using these two words whenever sentences have to be framed. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you very soon with another list of either highly confusing English words or very strange English words on this channel. Learn English words daily. Till then, take care.